Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Y61 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So if you've got any kind of problems with your camera, so for example if it freezes and so on, if it do not respond for your touches, then you can try to reset the settings connected with the camera. So to do that we have to enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after the whole operation they should disappear. I hope they will. So now we have to tap on those settings in the right upper corner and scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got the restore defaults option, so let's tap on it and simply tap on OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and we cannot see the grid lines, which is the best news we could have, which simply means that the reset option worked. What's more, we've got another evidence. We've got this permission to this permission to give your camera the access to the location, which appears at the very beginning, so when you're opening the camera for the very first time. So this is another evidence. Let me allow it, and here you've got also the settings. So you have to grant this app the permission to use the location, so I don't want to do it right now. Basically the conclusion is that we just successfully reset the camera settings. So that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your HUAWEI Nova Y61. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.